Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? We're here now in Centov showroom dito sa Cloverleaf, Quezon City, Balintawak. So as you can see, nasa sample tayo ng showroom of a 2-bedroom unit. And I'll share with you guys, by the way, what's to expect with Cloverleaf, Ayala Lands, Gateway of the North. And it's a small mixed-use estate with only 11 hectares. So, urban living, strategic siyang located in EDSA, NLEX, and future-ready MRT7 and the Skyway na Stage 3. So, stay tuned so we can see ano yung mga future developments pa here in Cloverleaf. And also pala, yung 2-bedroom natin, guys, has a service room. Yes, you heard it right. Meron tayong tinatawag na service room or can be converted then to utility room. So kung halimbawa, you wanted to have more space on general cleaning such as laundry or pagsampay or, add stuff, meron tayong extra space. Fun fact pala, guys, kaya tinawag tong Cloverleaf Estate kasi yung road from from Manila, Pasay, dadaan ka ng A. Bonifacio Avenue going to Pan-Philippine Highway going north. Tapos from North Avenue naman na papuntang Monumento, may parang Cloverleaf yan. Yung kalsada niya, yung shape niya is Cloverleaf. Yan. And also, guys, this is strategically located for different access points. Magkaaroon to ng Skyway from here going to the New Manila International Airport in Bulacan. Tapos yung mga isa pang future infrastructure will be from NMIA or the New Manila International Airport to Tarlac City naman. So, convenient siya to the Central Luzon. And also kung galing din dito going to Clark International Airport, it will only take 1 hour and 20 minutes. Tapos naman kung going south ka, pwede kang tumaan ng Skyway. This is only will take 20 minutes from here to Buendia, Makati. And less than 40 minutes naman kung going to the NAIA or the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So the future is bright with Cloverleaf kasi ang dami niyang mga main access roads. So parang in between lang dito ng EDSA, ng NLEX, madami ding mga MRT such as the MRT7 and madami din tayong mga malls nearby like SM North, the Trinoma, Vertis North, and then yung mga hospitals around QC. You also have here mga schools like the Grace Church, tapos may UP din naman, University of Santo Tomas, and so much more in the area.
Thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoy this kind of contents, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Eddie, your real estate guy. And if gusto mo pang maka-receive ng sample computation or schedule a viewing with me, please leave a message. I'll be more than happy na i-tour kayo sa bago naming showroom dito in Cloverleaf. We have a 2-bedroom dyan, 1-bedroom, and studio. So, make sure to leave a message. See you on the next video, guys. Bye!